What's your name?
Adam.
Adam? I'm
Yeah.
Jade Adam.
Okay.
So, is it the drums for you too that makes you beautiful?
Yeah.
All right.
Life is beautiful.
Yes, it is.
Life is beautiful, and music is beautiful. Like it calms the savage beast, like so much. Like coming out here on a beautiful day like this, and just relaxing, vibing out with another musician. It's just fun. It's like a conversation. Music is beautiful. Like this looks so sexy to me right here. Holla back. Okay.
So when I sit down here, it's like I'm in another world.
So what makes you beautiful? Your best quality?
My friends make me feel beautiful. She is very attentive. She listens well. And she knows how to make me smile. And not only does she know how to make me smile, but she likes to make me smile. She loves it. And she's very thoughtful.
She's a great cook, and she makes the best milkshakes. Obviously, food is the way for me, and she's very supportive through good and tough times. She has a great smile, great skin, great mind, everything.
I'm so adaptable, you know, I can take anything.
I would say my dependability, as well as protection. So all bunch of one. Oldest, all 5 siblings. So yeah, I would say dependability.
My best quality, I think people say that I'm a good listener. I care about people, and I like to have fun.
Beautiful is not the word I wouldn't say, but I don't know, people find me handsome, I guess. I mean, I don't know why people usually find me handsome. I mean, they just usually just come up to me and just say that.
My best qualities are I'm loving and I'm caring, and I care about others. I like to pray for others too.
I would say my ambition to, I don't know, create a path for myself and sort of go on that path and not have anyone sidetrack me from that path.
All right.
I would have to say my hair. It's the first thing people see about me, and it's also been something I've struggled with my whole life, and I finally got it to something that I enjoy and I love, so it's definitely my hair.
I think what makes me beautiful is my openness. I am welcoming, and I am just someone who loves people, so I think that's important.
What makes me beautiful is that I like to take care of others.
Uplift spirits. My heart is full of gold.
I'm a really caring person. I'm kind to people. Some people are kind to me. That's really it.
How you doing? I'm Leo, and something special about me is all about having a good time, being with family. That's the most important, and just having a good time, enjoying the human beings that's surrounded by you, no matter what color, race, their nationality, their sexuality, none of that. Just nothing but have a good time and just enjoy life.
Many other things as well. Being black, being sexy, being cool, being, original. But the things that the morals that my mother taught me is the things that make me stand up and the things that I value.
I believe what makes me me is my straightforwardness, my honesty, my bluntness. At least that's what my friends around me tell me that they like the most about me. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it.
I guess how real I am. I don't like to sugarcoat things, so I'll be very honest, straightforward, blunt, and it's probably why I don't have so many friends, just because I'm easy forward. Some people don't like it, some people take it as insults.
The multiculturalness of myself. I was born and raised in Houston, Texas, then lived in LA. Now I'm in New York.
I'm a loyal person. I'm a caring person. I'm usually there. I'm pretty much reliable. People can depend on me if they're needed. I would say
kind, kind-hearted?
I think that the morals and values that I have in myself is what makes me beautiful, not just the outside. Yes, I would say that I'm also beautiful from the outside, but I would say that my morals and values that I show through my humbleness and being genuine is what makes me beautiful.
How caring I can be, and how I'm able to just caring people, just kind of like support them and help them.
I would say most people would probably say I'm a compassionate person, that I care about their well-being and their happiness.
I'm incredibly positive and that I have a smile that brightens the room.
I think that a smile makes anyone beautiful, and I think that it just tells a lot about a person, and to just see someone light up with a smile, I think is a beautiful thing.
I think everyone's eyes are beautiful. I think like you get to see the world through your eyes, and just being able to like share moments with everyone is really beautiful. So yeah.
I would say what makes me beautiful is the fact that I never. Jesus Christ.
I don't even have one.
I always strive to be the kindest version of myself whenever I meet someone new. And I never judge someone until I really get to meet them. So I guess I'm really personable in that way.
Sure.
What makes me beautiful? What would you say makes me beautiful? Huh?
Well, everything. Just your appearance.
I think I just try my best in anything that I do. So like everyday tasks and anything else.
I would say that I'm a person that loves to have fun and to party and to be with friends and this kind of thing. I think I'm relaxed.
So you keep it balanced in a sense?
Yeah.
Okay, cool, cool. Very nice. Quick question, if you have time to stop. Hold on, Jess. I'm going around asking people. Hi. I'm going around asking people today, like, what makes them beautiful. Like, if someone had to say one thing about you, what would they say, like, as in your best quality?
I think what makes me beautiful is my unique freckles, my kisses from the sun.
Peace, good people. This is Fufu Lauren, and I want to thank you again for tuning in. Please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also hit that notification bell so you can keep up to date with all the videos that I post. And until next time, peace.